My Welsh is pretty much 0.
1, week 2. Ready to do 5 hours of Welsh today.
I can count to 10.
Then I have grammar, a grammar tab.
The, fr, g.
Mae bawb dan ni 3 mis yn ôl dechrau i dysgu Cymraeg gyda fy nod i siarad Cymraeg mewn 6 mis. Felly, achra i siarad Cymraeg tipyn bach yn ywedig gyda ffrindiau, gyda fy ngŵr. Ond in the wild, dwi'n gweld hi'n anodd iawn. Dwi angen ymarfer mwy i siarad gyda phobl eraill.
Tafel heddiw, dwi'n gwisgo fy badge dysgu Cymraeg.
i'r tafoel.
Dwi'n mynd i pabell y Dysgu now. We're going to the Learners Centre, have a little sgwrsiau bach.
Roedd hi mor nice cwrdd y phobl go iawn ac ymarfer fy Gymraeg.
Mae'n bwyth, mor bwyth. Joyous i tafel heddiw.
Roedd hi'n braf, cwrdd a phobl oyneb y oyneb. So it was nice to meet people face to face. So that was just lush.
Ond panicais i un lan, rhywais i anghofiais i lawer o Gymraeg. A dwi angen hwda mwy.
Haul bach o tafoel. I've got this beautiful hiraeth notebook, which will be really good for my mynediad course, because I also got a bookmark with the treigledau on. Everyone's favourite thing, treigledau. And then, sut I dweud yes a no in Gymraeg. It's so difficult, there's so many different ways.
Y mis Medi dwi'n dechrau cwrs sylfaen gyda dysgu Cymraeg, so dwi ddim yn stopio.
Dwi'n gwrando a BBC Radio Cymru. Some presenters I can understand like loads, and then there's others and I'm like, and I know it's down to like regional dialects and accents and stuff, and I'm like, what are you saying?
Mae hi mor braf gallu siarad iaith fy ngwlad. So it's been really lovely to learn the language of my country. Os da chi'n moyn dysgu Cymraeg neu os da chi'n dysgu Cymraeg, dal ati, oic amdani. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen at weld ble bydd fy Gymraeg mewn 6 mis arall. So diolch yn fawr for following the knife, and I am really looking forward to the next 6 months.